In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open your emails using HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to see open activity and how to interpret the engagement metrics that matter for your campaigns. To start, open your HubSpot dashboard and look for the main navigation bar along the top. Find the marketing section. This is where HubSpot groups your email tools and reporting so you can build, send, and measure your marketing emails all in one place. Click into Marketing and choose Email to enter the email tool. Here you'll see your drafts, scheduled messages, and the history of emails you've already sent. Next, move over to the Analyze area within the email tool. This is the reporting hub for your marketing emails. If you've been sending messages, this page pulls everything together so you don't have to open each email individually to figure out performance. If it looks empty, it may simply mean there isn't enough recent sending activity to display yet. On the Analyze page, you'll find the key engagement metrics. Sent shows how many recipients your email was successfully delivered to. This helps you sanity check your audience size and deliverability. Open rate is the percentage of delivered emails that were opened. HubSpot detects opens using a tiny tracking pixel, so keep in mind that privacy features in some email apps like automatic image loading can inflate open numbers. Treat open rate as a directional signal rather than a perfect truth. Click rate reflects how many recipients clicked a link in your email relative to how many were delivered, while click-through rate compares clicks to people who opened. Clicks are a stronger sign of true engagement because they require an intentional action from the reader. Reply rate shows the percentage of recipients who responded directly to your message, which is especially useful for more conversational or plain text emails. As you review these metrics, look for patterns across recent sends. A spike in opens paired with flat clicks may suggest the subject line is enticing, but the content or call to action needs work. Consistently low opens can point to deliverability issues, list quality challenges, or subject lines that aren't resonating. Steady increases in replies might indicate your audience prefers a more direct, human approach. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Marketing, open the email tool, head to Analyze, and read the engagement panel for sent, open rate, click-through rate, and reply rate. Use opens for a quick pulse check and rely on clicks and replies to validate real interest.